Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Liz and you're with Plants and Boxes. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a care package that I got from Shop Hello Mary. So let's go on over to the other camera and have a look at it. Okay, let's take a look at what we got over here. Okay, first they sent this really nice sticker. They always have some really nice stickers. And of course they sent this card saying that they appreciate the good vibes always, and I really do appreciate vibing with Shop Hello Mary. So let's see what's in the bag. See what goodies we got here. Okay, I can tell you this is one of their signature pre-rolls. I love their signature pre-rolls. I'm gonna have to get online and look and see what kind it is. So let's look at the first thing out of the bag. Okay, the first thing out of the bag is a vape pen. And this is Wild Berry Runts. I like that. I can't wait to try it. So, of course, remember, it tells you right here to stand upright for at least 20 minutes prior to use. Okay. Let's see what else we got in this bag here. Now, this is my first time actually opening up this bag. I opened up the box, but I didn't look in there. Oh, okay. So we got a half ounce of smalls. We got 14 grams of dulce de creme. Oh boy, I can't wait to try these. This sounds like that's good. All right, and we got us some Black Mamba, 3.5 grams. And this is their premium line. Can't wait to try that one. Ah, yes, let's see what we got here. Ah, apple tart. Oh, this looks like that's gonna be good. Oh, I cannot wait to try that one at all. Can't wait to try it. Oh, that's gonna be good. Let's see, is there anything else in here? Oh, yeah, a lighter. We got us a nice little lighter. Something just popped up on my screen and I can't get rid of it. Okay, there we are. Now I can see. All right, yeah. I mean, who can't use another lighter? I can always use another lighter, that's for sure. Okay, guys, and that is it. And of course, we have this card, legal notice, transportation of industrial hemp products. Okay, check with your local and state laws to see if you're able to shop online for this. And you can use my coupon code down below. I'm gonna place it down there for you guys. And I'd like to thank you guys, whoever's using the coupon codes. I really do appreciate you. You guys are getting some fire stuff. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.